So, dear students and viewers, welcome to the online class arranged by Lions School and College Rangpur. I am Mohammad Arman Hussain, assistant teacher, Lions School and College Rangpur. Today, my class is for the students of class 8. It is also suitable for the students of higher secondary or secondary level. All of the students of secondary and higher secondary level can enjoy the class. You know, in the previous class we discussed about article and its uses. In my previous class we have discussed about article which are specific or definite article, which are indefinite, and where we use the article an or article the. In previous class we have also discussed that if a noun is indefinite, then we use article a or an, and if the noun is definite or specific, then we use article the. We also discussed which are definite and which are indefinite, which are specific and which are non-specific nouns. Then we also discussed that where we will use the article a or an. It is used before a singular noun and where the noun is indefinite. And then we came to the use of article a or an. We discussed that we will use an before a noun where the sound of the noun starts with a vowel. And if the noun does not start and the noun does not sound like a vowel, then we will use a. Then we discussed that if the noun is definite, if the noun becomes definite, we use the article the. And we discussed some areas, some sections, some nouns where we must use the. And today, the second part of the use of article the we will discuss. There are I have written some rules here where we should use a the before that noun. I will discuss it one by one. At first, nouns used after the verbs. There are some verbs, you should write it down. Appoint, make, elect, select, etc. These are the verbs. After that, when we use a noun, when we use the noun, we will not use a article. Such as, he was elected president. We have used no article before president because there is a verb elected. But the next sentence, the president of Bangladesh. Here we have used an article the before the verb president. So if president noun is after elect verb, we will use no article. But if it starts, it becomes a subject, there is no verb like appoint, make, elect or anything, then we will use the article the. The president of Bangladesh is Mr. Hamidur Rahman. Now come to the next one, abstract noun. We know abstract noun are that we feel. We only feel, but it has a name. These are the abstract nouns. We cannot see it, we cannot touch it, or it does not occupy any area. These are the articles which are only felt. Then these such kind of words, such kinds of nouns are used in a sentence. If it is a subject, then we use no article, such as honesty is the best policy. Here we have used no article before honesty. But again, if it becomes a subject and there is a of, such as honesty of, kindness of, cruelty of, and it becomes a subject, then we will use a the. There will be must a the before that. The honesty of the rickshaw puller was awarded. The kindness of the king is noticeable. Then we will use a the before an abstract noun. অর্থাৎ এই যে প্রেসিডেন্ট, এই প্রেসিডেন্টের আগে যদি কোনো ভার্ব ইলেক্টেড, অ্যাপয়েন্ট, মেক, সিলেক্ট এইরকম কোনো ভার্ব যদি থাকে তাহলে তার আগে আমরা দি ব্যবহার করব না। কিন্তু এই প্রেসিডেন্টের পরে যদি দেখি আমরা এরকম অফ আছে তাহলে সামনে একটা দি ব্যবহার করব যখন বিশেষত এরা সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত হবে। আবার 2 নম্বরে আমরা বলছি যে অ্যাবস্ট্রাক্ট নাউন। অ্যাবস্ট্রাক্ট নাউনটা হচ্ছে যে অনেস্টি, কাইন্ডনেস এগুলো যখন সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত হচ্ছে, এর আগে কোনো অফ নাই বা আর কিছু নাই এরপরে, তখন আমরা কিন্তু কোনো আর্টিকেল ব্যবহার করছি না। যেমন অনেস্টি ইজ দ্য বেস্ট পলিসি, এখানে অনেস্টির আগে কোনো আর্টিকেলই ব্যবহৃত হয়নি। কিন্তু যদি এটা হয় অনেস্টি অফ, তাহলে অবশ্যই তার আগে আর্টিকেল বি ব্যবহার করতে হবে। Then come to the next one. School, college, jail, mosque. These are the organizations. These are the institutions where people generally go. It has some purposes. Why we go to the school? We go to school to learn or to teach. If the purpose is same, why we go to mosque? We go to mosque to say prayer. This is the purpose. So, if the purpose is same, then there will be no article. Such as, he is going to school. It means he is going to school to attend classes, to learn something. That's why there is no article before the school. But if we say his father is going to the school, his father is going to school not to study, not to attend classes. Why? His father is going to the school to meet the principal. Here the purpose is different. Here his father is going for a different purpose. That's why we will use a the must. তো জানা গেল যে এই ইনস্টিটিউশনগুলো যেগুলো আছে, যেটা আমাদের সচরাচর জানা আছে যে এই সকল জায়গায় মানুষ কী জন্য যায়, ঠিক উদ্দেশ্যটা যদি তাই থাকে, যেমন একজন কেউ জেলে গিয়েছে, মানে সে অপরাধ করে যদি সে জেলে যায়, he was migrated to that jail. That means he is a criminal and he was migrated from one jail to another. তো ক্রিমিনাল যদি জেলে যায় সেম পারপাস, তখন তার আগে দি ব্যবহৃত হবে না। কিন্তু যদি কেউ বলে যে হি ইজ গোয়িং টু দ্য জেল টু মিট দ্য ক্রিমিনাল, তার মানে তখন বোঝাচ্ছে যে আরেকজন যে যাচ্ছে জেলে তার পারপাস কিন্তু সেম না, সে ক্রিমিনাল না, সে আরেকজন ক্রিমিনালের সাথে দেখা করতে যাচ্ছে। দিস ইজ দ্য ডিফারেন্ট পারপাস। যখন আমরা মসজিদে যাওয়া বোঝাবে তখন মস্কের আগে দি ব্যবহৃত হবে না। আই এম গোয়িং টু মস্ক টু সে মাই প্রেয়ার। কিন্তু যদি ডিফারেন্ট পারপাসটা আলাদা, যে আই এম গোয়িং টু মস্ক টু ওয়াশ দ্য ফ্লোর, তখন আমাদের তার আগে দি ব্যবহার করতে হবে। যে মস্কে আমি কেন যাচ্ছি? ফ্লোরটা ঝাড় দিয়ে দেওয়ার জন্য, ফ্লোরটা পরিষ্কার করে দেওয়ার জন্য, তখন আমরা তার আগে দি ব্যবহার করব। এই জন্য এখানে ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে যে হি ইজ গোয়িং টু দ্য স্কুল টু মিট দ্য প্রিন্সিপাল, because here the purpose is different. And now come another one, political party. Before any political party, the name of any political party, we will use the Awami League, the BNP. Musical instrument, any kind of musical instrument, before that we will use the violin, the guitar. And then historical monument, the monument which has history, the monument which is historically known all over the world, which has a historical value. Before that monument, before that structure, the name of that structure, before the name of that structure, we will use a the, such as the Shah Gambud Mosque The Shah Gambuz Mosque is in Bangladesh, and you know it has a historical value, and it is also included in World Heritage Site. That's why before that we must use the Shah Gambuz Mosque, and there is another one, the Taj Mahal. It has also historical value, and we know it is one of the 7 wonders in the world. That's why before Taj Mahal we have to use a D. And now come positive degree. When the positive degree becomes common, then we use a D before that. Darij, Dapur. We have used a D before the positive degree. And comparative degree, where the comparison is. Sooner, a comparative degree, better, a comparative degree, and before that we have used D here. The sooner, the better. When the comparison is between the two and there is a comparative degree, then we will use a D before that. He is the better of the 2 boys. If there are 2 boys, and we have used a comparative degree here, better. So before that we have used a D. So these are the rules that we should learn, that we must remember while we use article, and it is important for the class 8 students because a question is set here. Besides, you must know where article is not used, because in your text, because in your exam you will also find some gap where we should use no article. That's why you should have a clear idea where we will use the articles. If you don't find the uses of article before a noun, then you have to put a cross there. If you do not find any article A, N or D to use in the gap, then you have to put a cross. So you must learn it also the where we will use article and where we should not use any article. There we have to use a cross. So I hope that you have enjoyed the 2 classes. The students who missed my last class, you can also visit the website named Reliance School and College Rangpur, and search it in the 7th July. Most probably the class was released. You will find the first part of my class, the part 1, and this is the second one. So thank you very much. That's all today.